In today's video, we're going to be going through some creative masking examples, such as removing unwanted objects and creative background replacements. So stay tuned and let's get straight into the video. So first we're going to be looking at how to remove unwanted objects in our scene. So in this clip here, you can see a plane going across the sky, and I'm going to use masking to remove this plane. So what we're first going to do is duplicate the clip using Alt and drag upwards. And we're also going to toggle off the visibility on the bottom clip. I'm going to go towards the start and I'm going to create a mask on the top clip. So I go over to opacity and click on the ellipse tool, and that will create my mask. So I'm going to drag the mask over the plane. I'm going to make it a little bit smaller. I'm going to put my feather at around 70. And what I'm going to do is create a keyframe for the mask path, and this is going to be able to track the plane's movement across the screen. So I'm going to start and add a keyframe there, and I'm just going to track the movement of the plane with my mask and use keyframes in order to do this. So here you can see I'm just tracking the movement of the plane with my mask path in order to create the desired effect. Now you can be able to see that I'm tracking the movement of the plane with my mask. Now that I've done this, I'm going to click on invert, and I'm going to click on the visibility of the bottom clip, and now you'll see that the plane is visible again. What I'm going to do now is, from the start of my clip, I'm going to drag this forward a little bit. I'm going to click on the bottom clip and just going to wait till the plane comes into visibility. I'm going to make a cut on my bottom clip and I'm going to drag it towards the end of the clip. I'm then going to highlight these clips and drag it to the front, and what you'll see is the plane is now nowhere to be seen. We're now going to create a cool mask effect combining these two clips. So here we have a mountain range, and we also have a cool looking night sky here, and the goal is to replace this sky with the second clip. So what we're going to do here is we're going to put this night sky below the first clip. I'm going to click on the first clip, and the goal here is to use the pen tool and create a mask over the outline of the mountain range. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to zoom in using the trackpad. I'm going to go to where the mountain range starts, and I'm slowly going to draw over the outline of the mountain range and create a mask. So I'm going to speed this up, as this will be quite a long process, but it's good to zoom in so you can get those finer details and create an accurate outline of the mountain range. So now that I've finished completing the outline, I'm going to zoom out, and I'm going to make sure that I'm creating a mask over the sky as well. So I'm going to click here, I'm going to click here, and then I'm going to connect it back to the first point here. So now you'll see that the mountain range is actually masked out, but we're going to invert this by creating the inverted effect. And now we can see we have the night sky over the mountain range. Let's see how this looks. So that looks pretty good. You can see there's sort of a night sky effect over the mountain range. So that's it for the video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next.